Hi y'all, I'm back. I missed y'all. I haven't did a video it's been a few days, but I'm back. I'm sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I'm sorry I haven't did recorded in a while. I'll say that, recording in a while. But yeah, today let me tell y'all what we have. Sorry, I got a little excited. So we got some oxtails, y'all. We got some broccoli, and I got some rice and peas here in the back with some gravy on top. I like gravy on top of my rice. And to drink, got some black cherry Kool-Aid mixed with lemonade. It's about to be on and popping. I'm not doing a bunch of talking. I just want to eat. And after I fill my belly and get full, then we'll talk. But I do want to know how everybody has been lately. Please tell me your good news. Please tell me the bad news. Come on, let's have a conversation. Let's talk about it. But yeah, let's do a thumbnail. And then we can eat. Okay? Is that gonna be sufficient enough? Hold on, let's see. All right. These oxtails or tender is hell. Y'all need a haircut, my God. Oh, Jesus. And look at all that damn great. Oh, she need a haircut. Like, quick, fast, and in a hurry. But yeah, okay, let's eat. That's so good. Ooh, that's so good. If I start smacking, I apologize. I don't mean to do it on purpose. If you hear the fork clanking against the plate, I apologize. I really do. Broccoli cold. I really hope everybody is doing well. I don't know if I said it before, but I'm doing well. I feel sorry for anybody that don't like oxtails. I feel sorry for them. broccoli, it got a kick. I put slap your mama in it. But it's good. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day today. And it's going on 8 o'clock. And this is the reason why I didn't eat. Because I wanted to save my appetite for these I was about to say oxtails. For these oxtails. And I gotta lay off this rice because this is gonna be what make me full. I can't help it because I love rice. I love rice. I like pastas. And somebody like me, a person like me who had a gastric bypass, those are not my friend because they fill me up so fast. Really fast. Let me see what's been going on lately. Nothing. Just work. That's it. The weather has been really nice out here in Missouri. Yesterday, I want to say it was somewhere in the 80s. Yesterday and the day before yesterday, which was Wednesday, I want to say it was just about in the 80s. Today, it was in the 60s, but it was raining a lot today. But besides that, the weather has been really nice. There's still a war. I see the war is still going on over in Ukraine. So unfortunate. So unfortunate. I just continue to pray because at this point, that's all you can do is to pray. And if y'all hear anybody in the background, it's baby girl. She wants y'all to hear her. She want to be heard. She want to be heard. And these gas prices, y'all, make a person want to cuss. I'm sick of it. They're going to force people just to stay in the house and not do nothing. I mean, usually, I'm a homebody anyway. But dang. Sometimes I do like to get out. Sometimes I have to get out. But the more you get out and start rolling around town, the gas is dwindling a little bit more. Then you gotta take your ass to the gas station. Excuse my French, but facts. Excuse me. I did know what I want to talk about though. It just came to me. I wanted to do YouTube so bad, y'all. I really did. And now that I started doing YouTube, don't get me wrong, I love it. I do. But I'm giving up. I'm giving up. Why? Because I'm not really getting no views. I mean, I know that I may seem boring, but I'm still a little intimidated with doing the videos. But you know, it's bad when your 12-year-old and your 15-year-old be like, well, mommy, it takes time. You got to give it time, but don't give up. Because I told them that I want to give up. But I always tell my kids, no matter what you do in life, don't you give up on nothing. And now they telling mommy not to give up. In all actuality, I want to give up, but I'm not going to let myself give up that easily without a fight, because this is something that I wanted for so long. And I'm going to do everything I can to make it work. Engage more. I know I got to engage more. And then my baby girl was telling me, she was like, well, Instead of doing eating videos, why don't you do the day in your life videos? But I don't think I want to do those just yet. I mean, I may eventually start doing those, but not just yet. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, I'm getting full. I'm getting full. Mm-mm. I'm bone, y'all. I don't want to stop eating yet. I'm getting full. I don't want to stop eating. Oh, I got juice on the side of my face. Oh, really do. And my daughter, she usually don't like oxtail. She been saying for the past 2 years she don't like oxtail. Now all of a sudden she want to eat oxtail. I'm like, what? Where this come from? Why all of a sudden you like them? You want them now? Can y'all hear my stomach? This show talking. I got juice on my nose. Girl, we don't slow down. Excuse me. Excuse me, Lord. I'm stuffed. When y'all make broccoli, do y'all put enough seasoning in it to where it's not bland? Excuse me. Because sometimes you can cook broccoli and put a little bit of seasoning like some salt and pepper, that ain't gonna do nothing for no broccoli. Put you some accent, some butter, and some like seasoning salt. Is that all I use? And some onion powder. And some garlic powder if you want to, but I ain't putting no garlic powder. But you use those seasonings combined, I think you'll be happy with the outcome. And if your kids don't mind a little spice, instead of using seasoning salt or the seasoning, you can use Slap Your Mama. I think you'll be happy with the outcome. Try it. And if your husband or anybody want to know what made you think of that combination of seasoning for your broccoli, tell them I got it from Deanna on YouTube. That's so good. Lord, I want to, but I don't think I can. That's a fool. Like, I don't think I can. It's gonna come right back. Never mind, that's TMI. But damn, I'm full. Excuse me. But I tell you what, I'm not throwing away that oxtail. Oxtails are too damn expensive to be going in the garbage. And my daughter, she didn't finish one of her oxtails and threw that joker away. I told her, we don't throw away oxtails. We do not throw away oxtails because they too expensive. Shit, oxtails just about as expensive as gas prices. Did I just cuss again? My bad. Sorry. Didn't mean to. I apologize. I might put this video out tomorrow, y'all, because if I try to upload this video tonight, it just won't happen. I tried to upload a video sometime last week. And I don't know if it was something that I was doing wrong on my part, but I say it took about nearly 10 damn hours for that video to actually finish uploading. But y'all, I'm finished. I'm ready to let y'all go. Peace and blessings to everybody. I hope y'all love me just as much as I love y'all. And until the next time, deuces.